This is Oi's bedroom. This is his bed. This is his TV. That's his couch.
We try to honour Abby as best we can. None of it feels like enough. We have her teddy at the dinner table where she used to sit, and every day we stick a colourful sticker up on our lounge room wall as a little reward for we survived another day.
It's been 18 months since Abby Barrett died of brain cancer. She was 11.
Right now we're supposed to be celebrating finishing primary school as a family. And we were robbed of that, so... Which just feels so unfair, grief, and brain cancer has taken that from us.
The youngest of 3 girls, Abby's family say she was adventurous, funny and carefree.
She just brought a lot of light and joy into everyone's lives, and she sort of just walked a little path of sunshine, and yeah.
But Abby's childhood and that of her sisters ended the day of her diagnosis. Surgeries, chemotherapy and radiation followed.
The cancer journey was one thing, the death was another. The grief is brutal. Like if I could say anything to people out there in the Australian government to put some funding towards brain cancer, because we're failing our children.
For those treating the disease and searching for answers, the statistics are grim.
Brain tumours are actually the most common cause of death in patients aged 5 to 15, and those who survive often have significant disability going into adult life.
There are different forms of brain cancer. The most common and aggressive is called glioblastoma. It starts when abnormal cells divide without stopping, forming a tumour. And while surgery might be able to remove the tumour,
unfortunately, there's always going to be residual cells from which the cancer will regrow.
A support group for patients and their families has mapped out the impact of brain cancer. Compared to other cancers, brain cancer mortality rates remain among the highest, with minimal improvements in the last 30 years. It kills more Australians per year than road accidents. In recent years, the shoes of loved ones lost to the disease have been placed outside Parliament House in Canberra. It's a call for action.
The complexity of the disease is disproportionately high, but our funding and policy approach to address that complexity is mismatched by a lot compared to other cancers.
With the federal government grant into brain cancer research due to run out soon, there are calls for the federal government to invest another $200 million over the next 10 years for brain cancer research and clinical trials, as well as money for specialised nurses.
I'm certainly committed to doing more as that mission comes to an end. We've already started discussions with the Brain Cancer Alliance about what that looks like.
In this lab in Hobart, scientists are working to better understand childhood brain cancer, looking inside brain cancer cells at how DNA is packaged and identify what's going wrong.
If we can discover which proteins or parts of the puzzle are broken, we will be able to use really sophisticated genetic tools or new pharmacology treatments to treat brain cancers. That's our ultimate hope.
The Barrett family hold out hope for better treatments or even a cure as they struggle with the reality of life without Abby.
Obviously I'm broken and our family's changed, but the flow and effect of a child with cancer and a child dying, It's just massive.